Let us study cell organelles now. Endoplasmic reticulum, which is also known as ER in short. It is present in the cell cytoplasm as a network all over the cell cytoplasm. Endoplasmic reticulum is found. It is tube-like structure, like this. Membranes are present, and inside it is the substance or chemical. Endoplasmic reticulum is present in two forms, that means two types of endoplasmic reticulum is there. Rough endoplasmic reticulum or smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum it is also known as RER. This RER contains some rounded structure on its surface. This is the membrane, tube-like structure, and on its surface are present some small structures, rounded or spherical structure. These structures are known as ribosomes. So when these ribosomes are attached to the reticulum, it is known as rough endoplasmic reticulum. Now when this ribosome is present, then its function is to manufacture proteins. So we can say RER manufactures protein, or it produces proteins. The other type of RER is known as smooth. Other type of endoplasmic reticulum is known as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. In short, it is known as SER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So as the name says, it is smooth, so it do not have any ribosomes. The surface is smooth like this. Now it do not manufacture or do not produces proteins, but its function is to produce fats or lipids. So it produces fats. Other name of fat is lipid. So if we say overall ER, the function of endoplasmic reticulum ER is that it produces proteins as well as lipids, because SER produces lipids and RER produces proteins. And you know that cell membrane is made up of proteins and lipids. So if these two are used to produce cell membrane, this process is known as membrane biogenesis. That means formation of the cell membrane. Membrane biogenesis. So what is membrane biogenesis? That means formation of cell membrane with the help of proteins and lipids, produced by endoplasmic reticulum or ER. So this process is known as membrane biogenesis. This one. Membrane biogenesis is formation of cell membrane with the help of proteins and lipids produced by endoplasmic reticulum. So one of the function is to produce this membrane with the help of proteins and lipids. There are other functions of reticulum also, endoplasmic reticulum. Let us discuss that. So other function is, there are many. So other functions are, it helps in transportation of material from one place to another in cytoplasm. So some substances which want to move from one place to another can do so with the help of endoplasmic reticulum. One place to another in cytoplasm. Then this also provide a surface for the activities, chemical activities to take place. So endoplasmic reticulum also provide surface for various biochemical reaction. Other function in sometimes it plays a very crucial role in detoxifying many poisons and drugs. So many poisons and drugs are detoxified. So detoxification of many poisons and drugs. So these are the all functions of endoplasmic reticulum. Another cell organelle is Golgi bodies or Golgi apparatus. Golgi, it is also present in the cytoplasm near nucleus. So we can say that this is present in cytoplasm. Normally it is situated near to nucleus, and more commonly it should be present near to ER, endoplasmic reticulum. This Golgi bodies has flattened structure, sac, like this, flat sac-like structures. These are stacked one over another like this. And at both ends some vesicles are present. These flattened sac-like structures are known as cisterns. They are known as cistern. And these are vesicles. Simple structure of Golgi apparatus. But its functions are very important, and various functions are there. So let us study functions of Golgi apparatus. Whichever material is synthesized by endoplasmic reticulum, it is patched and then dispatched to various places with the help of Golgi apparatus. Okay, so that's why it is present close to ER. So we can say the first function is that materials synthesized by ER is packed and dispatched to various targets, various places. Secondly, it helps in storage helps in storage, modification and packing of products in vesicles. So the substance which are produced here are packed into this vesicles here. This is another function of this Golgi apparatus. Helps in storage, modification and packaging of products in vesicles. So it is packed in vesicles at Golgi apparatus. Then Golgi apparatus also forms lysosomes. These vesicles, sometimes it may become lysosomes. So also helps in formation of lysosome. So these are the function, structure and function of Golgi apparatus.